This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope to 3-5 core topics. This prevents overwhelm and makes each note compact. Once identified, choose one page, A4 or a single digital note, so you force brevity and consistent layout. Make sure to collect textbook headings, lecture timestamps, and any vital formulas before writing. These are your anchors. Start by writing one-line topic headers, then add one-sentence definitions. This immediate action replaces and you now distill content. Convert paragraphs into concise 3-5 bullet cues that capture cause, effect, and key data. Use consistent abbreviations and arrows to show relationships. This speeds review and keeps spatial memory intact. Once done, attach a simple mnemonic or one concrete example to each major point so recall is immediate. Make sure to cross-link related bullets with short arrows or labels. This creates a cognitive map without bulky prose and keeps your notes scan-friendly. You finish by highlighting one or two example lines using color or underline so they jump out during review. Then write a single-line summary at the bottom that captures the topic's essence. This becomes your go-to-recall cue. Once done, glance for gaps and rephrase any confusing bullet immediately. Add a tiny diagram if needed. If things go wrong, create a question next to the trouble spot and answer it right away. That forces clarity and closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.